Good morning, children. We are going to talk about a challenging question from bonding chapter. Let me share the screen. Yeah, see this question. 3 lone pairs of electrons can be found around the central atom of which of the following ions? So 4 ions are given over here. And over here phosphorus hexafluoride ion, and ClF2 ion, Bf2 ion, and SF5 ion. So everything ion. So over here, how to do this question? First, you have to write the element which has the ions, like which is bonded with the fluoride, right? So over here, first let's take phosphorus. Phosphorus is a 5th group element, right? Which means it has 5 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay. Over here, PF6 minus, which means there is 6 fluorine. There are 6 fluorine bonded with phosphorus, which means 6 bond pair electrons, which means 6 fluorine bonded with phosphorus. So you get 6 bond pair electrons, which means there is no lone pair electrons around phosphorus, right? It is very clear. There is no lone pair electrons around phosphorus, right? So this is not the answer. Why? Because it's clearly given 3 lone pairs of electrons. What is lone pair? Which is not bonded with anything. So over here, ClF2 minus. Okay, let's write Cl. Chlorine has, because since it's a 7th group element, it has 7 electrons around it, right? It has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So which means again F2 minus, so 1 more electron. And how many fluorines bonded over here? 2 fluorine, which means 2 bond pair electrons, right? And again you have to mention the lone pair electrons in fluorine also, children, if you are going to draw dot and cross structure for this compound. But over here I'm not showing that, it's time consuming. So over here you can notice that there are 3 lone pair electrons, right? Yes, we found the answer now. 3 lone pair of electrons, lone pairs of electrons found around the central atom. So chlorine is a central atom, around it 3 lone pairs. But what about Bf2? Actually, by seeing B itself, you can guess it, because boron is a 3rd group element which has only 3 electrons and bonded with 2 fluorines, which means it is impossible to get 3 lone pair electrons. And again, if you take yes, sulfur is a 6th group element which has 6 electrons, electrons in the outermost shell. So there are 5 fluorines, which means 5 bond pair electrons, which means you cannot get 3 lone pair electrons in this. So what is the answer? B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.